During my final years of my PhD, me and Shujit, our CEO, we entered into a pitch competition and we won.
I realized, hey, this could be an alternate career path to do startups, invent new products.
All of this kind of lead towards founding a unique research center within McMaster University.
I was a BlackBerry. I got introduced to a professor at McMaster and I met my two co-founders. Our mandate was to do product development using grant money,
Putting together solutions across these multiple engineering disciplines.
and we figured out early on this is only going to work for big companies, but we wanted to help the founders, the startups.
It's very hard for tech founders in the early days to build a quality competitive product because they don't have access to the right kind of multidisciplinary talent.
And for operating like this for 5 years, we got enough confidence that we can actually spin out of McMaster University and start this as a for-profit company.
To create a new model of outsourcing, a new model of product development that really, really works for startups.
FYELABS worked with me from concept on paper through to MVP as a non-technical founder. Without having my own technical team, they were able to bring me everything that I needed.
FYELABS is built around the idea of being the one-stop shop, of being able to work on products end to end. And for me, FYELABS wouldn't be the same without the three co-founders because each of us have different skill set. I am a computer engineer, which is I do software development, computer networking.
Gala is great in understanding people, talents, young talents.
Given a specific set of goals and a specific timeline, she will make sure the job is done on time.
It was delivered on time and on budget, as well as successfully, which is always the most important thing, was a highly satisfying feeling.
And then Shovik is a bit on the AI, electrical.
I am fascinated about processes and efficiencies.
Throw any problem at him that doesn't have a solution, and he would figure out a way to solve it.
If I went to you guys with a problem, usually even major problems, it would be less than a week before that problem was solved.
And then you got Shivajit, who's nanotechnology, material science, mechanical.
His business acumen is unmatched.
I'm the one going out there and figuring out how to tame the Wild West of the product development world.
They understand the startup journey. They understand the highs and the lows and the emergencies, and they are literally there with you the entire way.
How long? Has it actually been 8 years? There's no way. I've been here before it was FYELABS. I've seen FYELABS go from a small ragtag team of a couple engineers to like the big group that we have now. We're very willing to try new technology, see it through.
So yeah, one of the biggest challenges for FYE, of course, is managing all of these technical risks. This is all brand new technology. No one in the world has done what we are attempting to do.
Every single day, we face their challenges, we solve their problems. This is what we do. We are with you, even up to the last stage, ready to launch. We are with you all the way to the end.
The very first code that went into the very first version was all created by FYE. So they really helped us start out that journey and then have been with us almost the entire way through, right the way up to the launch of our second edition, helping out, augmenting our team, making sure that we had this successful launch.
At FYELABS, we are an integral part of the client's project. We want the client to be part of the team. We're able to maintain a level of transparency, which I have never seen in the industry.
They enabled a quick way for us to get into the technical aspects by using visual tools. So we were able to visualize our needs and literally map them out on screen.
The best part in working in FYELABS is one day you could work on a project that's helping hospitals getting biomedical devices ready. Or one day you're making people sleep comfortably.
Their idea of delivering innovation as a service was completely unique within the marketplace. FYELABS can help you accelerate your vision.
Every project is a new challenge for us. Every day is a new day for me. I joined FYELABS to make a robot here. The day that we shipped out the robot out, it was crazy.
With the team there being very high caliber, it was very easy for us to get them on board. It was like a week. They got the problem and they got the solution.
I'm always excited when I hear a new project has been signed. We were able to deliver something that was a third of the cost of anything else on the market with 5 times the performance. That was a big sense of accomplishment.
I was on a pretty tight budget, bootstrapping my company, and having that fixed pricing from FYELABS really was a make or break.
You just learn so many things that you didn't think that you'd learn. I get exposed to the hardware department. It's very cool. It's very interesting.
Given their expertise across the spectrum, we're really excited about how we can continue to leverage them in the future, from hardware, software, firmware.
The best part about working at FYELABS is the opportunity to take ownership over a large variety of different projects. The extremely fast-paced environment and throughput that we have.
You get an outstanding experience. It's fast, it's efficient. I just have no reason to look elsewhere.
Being able to work on meaningful projects and really make a difference. And then seeing it all work was quite a moment.
I think there is also a hunger with you guys to make a difference in those companies that you're partnering with. I think that's very obvious.
The best part about working at FYELABS is the collaboration, the friendliness of the team.
Everyone is really good friends, and we're almost like a family in the office. There's someone here that knows something about everything. There's always something available for you to work on that aligns with what you're passionate about.
And the close-knit relationships we form with our clients. It feels like we're building a project together rather than 2 teams.
It was really heartening to have an entire team of specialists and experts surrounding me because they would always have the experience and know-how to clarify my next steps.
FYELABS came in highly recommended to begin with.
I would highly recommend.
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 Recommend. Recommend.
Recommend.
I definitely recommend.
Definitely recommend.
Certainly recommend.
Definitely recommend.
Highly recommend.
FYELABS.
I would 100% recommend FYELABS.
FYELABS is innovation.
Exciting.
Collaborative.
Resilience.
Scrappy.
Relentless.
Creative and supportive.
Nerdy. Innovative.
Teamwork.
FYELABS is chaos, and I love it.
I think together we make a great team.